YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So today, you can tell by the title, we're going to be reviewing the Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick. And I did get a couple hats with it. I got the hat that I got on right now and that kind of matches the sneaker. And then I did get the black Yankee. So the color hat that matches the kicks is I believe is the Mets. And the black one is the Yankee. So let's go ahead and as we unbox the shoe, we're gonna do a review and we're gonna do it on foot as well. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. If you want the fits and kicks, you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and crack the hat open first so I can show you that. Now I did get the shirt as well, but that won't arrive until tomorrow. So I wanted to go ahead and get this review out today. So here's the Yankee hat, all black Yankee hat. On the side here, you got Brick by Brick in white. Of course, you got your New Era sign right there on the left side of the hat. And in the back, you got the blacked out MLB symbol. And the inside of the hat, as you can see right here, it says, "I built this Brick by Brick Nigel Sylvester," in that cursive writing. Of course, you got your genuine merchant right there, New Era, and then size 7 as well. So that's how the hats will come, and the hat that I got on is the same thing. It has the same writing. Everything is the same on the hat that matches the shoes as well. So enough of the hat. Let's go ahead and get into the shoes. Cool, so I hit this one on the sneakers draw, man. I got lucky and hit a draw, so that was cool. And so I've been excited to get these in hand ever since I hit on the draw. They did put it in this box where you don't really have to cut. You just rip the sides off and then open the box. Okay. All right, cool. Go ahead and get these out, man. Thirsty to see these in hand because this was one of those shoes that I was kind of iffy on. And it was one of them shoes where I definitely needed to see them in hand to kind of, get my final judgment on, if I like the shoe or not. So that's what we're gonna do today. So, man, this is fire. Yeah. I love the box and the presentation, and it does feel like it has a grainy feel to it, like they said, and it does feel like almost like a brick feel. That's cool that they were able to do that. I don't know how they were able to do that, but that's pretty cool. So today we're going to be going over the Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP, which is a special project. Firewood, Orange, Sail, and Cinnabar are the colorways. And as you can see, size 10.5 is what I'm wearing on my 4s. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and take an up-close personal look at the Nigel Sylvester Bike Air Jordan 4. Okay, let's start with the box. So in the front of the box, you can see it has that Bike Air. And if you look at it, it looks just like a brick. Also, if you ever seen this reddish colored brick, you will see that some of the bricks have like, some shading on it, and that's what that looks like. So I don't know if they actually took a picture of a brick and kind of made it out to the box, but that's what it looks like to me. So on this side of the box, you have a Jumpman ingrained, nothing on this side. Another Jumpman, you have your sizing tag right there, which we already went over in the beginning of the video. On that side, nothing, and on the bottom of the box, they do have the Jordan and the Nike branding over here, but it's very faint because it blends in with the box. And then you also got that fading of the brick as well on the bottom of the box. So as we open the box with the lid, you can see how that Bike Air is kind of ingrained, and there's nothing inside of the top of the lid, but the box dimensions are right there, if you can see. Your pair should come wrapped just like a brick would come. In the inside of the box, you got that Go right there, and nothing but orange inside of the box, no green stickers. And again, you have your box dimensions right there as well. So enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks. This blue strap right here, yeah, it is Velcro. All right, so let's go ahead and rip that off. So that's pretty cool that it comes in that material so that you can kind of, oh, okay, supposed to do it from that side. All right, cool. where you can kind of wrap this back up if you need to and wrap the shoes back up. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool that they did that. Nice touch. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and grab one of the shoes. Comes in this like Ziploc bag right here. Let's go ahead and crack that thing open up. There we go. Should come in wrapped in this paper as well. And rip that out, and there you should have the shoes. Cool. Go ahead and on the bag that it comes in, that's when you'll have your green sticker. Let's get the second shoe out, and we'll hop right into the review. Another green sticker as well on this bag. Very thin type of clearish type of translucent paper. Here's the shoes. Now, actually, this is my first time actually seeing them in hand. And yeah, these are nice, man. They are nice in hand. Now, would I put them over certain silhouettes that have came out already and that are coming out? I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and get into the reviews. So let's go ahead and start with the outsole. The outsole, you do have that dark translucent outsole. You have your sail hits on a forefoot in the middle of the sole with your orange Nike right there in the middle. Stars right here on the forefoot. Let's move to the midsole. The midsole, you have that sail, once again, clear air bubble with that orange showing through the air bubble. Midsole, you have a combination of, I believe, this whole shoe looks like a combination of everything. The upper looks like that cinnabar. The midsole looks like a combination of the orange and the firewood, in my opinion. And so does the mud guard right here going around the front. Looks like almost like that firewood color. So I think I'm getting the color pattern right. Correct me in the comment section down below if I'm not. But again, that's what the midsole is. Consist of. You have that different color, almost that cinnabar, firewood, and orange. So move to the upper, you have a nice buttery suede. If you can see that suede right there, that two-tone motion, and that's all throughout the upper of the shoe on each part, even the toe box. The toe box is the most glaring part that you can see that on. If you can see that, I mean, that's pretty good material. That's what we want to see. So again, you have that rough kind of material. It feels almost like a rubber, almost like a rubber basketball, one of them cheap basketballs you used to get out the supermarket back in the day. I think that's for if you're gonna bike in the shoe, you're not gonna mess up the material. This mud guard should protect you from any type of scarring or any type of rough activity you're gonna do on a bike wearing the shoe. So that's a pretty cool idea that they put that on there. You got your sail Nike swoosh right there, wrapping around the toe cap. Toe box, and of course, you got that nice toe box with that nice material. I love the shape too, the shape of the toe box. It's pretty dope. Moving into the upper, you got your wings with your waffles, and you got your netting. Now there is 3M on the shoe, and I will show you that 3M. See if I can put a picture out right here, but or a video. Inside the netting is 3M on the side panel, on the front, right above the toe box, and on the medial side as well. So moving to the back of the shoe, you got that bike air, which is fire. They just replaced the end with the B. That looks dope in that sail colorway. What's funny? People always talk about the top of the back tab, tearing up ankles. It's funny because I've been wearing J4s since like the late 80s when they came out, late 80s, early 90s, and I've never ever to this day had a problem with this back tag cutting my ankles or even irritating the back of my ankles or rubbing up against it at all. So I guess that's just how certain people's ankles are built. But moving up to the upper of the shoe, the tongue, you got that Jumpman with the flight underneath, and you have that, again, that nice material on the outside of the tongue. And one thing I do hate, I hate when they blend in the Jumpman with the color of the rest of the shoe. I mean, you made the flight in sail, so I don't know if you could have made the Jumpman in sail as well, or maybe another color just to make that Jumpman pop out a little bit more. I mean, you can kind of see it, but if you're not looking close, you can it kind of blends in. That's the only gripe I would probably have with the shoe right now. And the laces, I don't know if this is firewood or cinnabar, but you know, the laces kind of blend in with the shoe. You do get an extra pair of sail laces, and that's probably the lace that I'll go with and rock the shoe in. Let's go ahead and go in the inside of the shoe. Should come with shoe paper. In the inside of the shoe, you should have go right there in the inside of the shoe. And then you'll have that and your sizing tag as well. That's pretty fire. Back of the shoe, it should read Jordan Biking Co. 2017, and I think that's when Virgil joined the Jordan brand team. Fire. Okay, let's look at the right shoe. The right shoe is same as the left shoe. Nothing's different. Everything's the same. Medial, lateral side. Got that mini swoosh on the lateral side of the right shoe. Bike Air, of course. The only thing the right shoe does come with the extra pair of laces inside the shoe. That's how your box should look when you get your laces. And one thing I noticed, let me go ahead and open them up now. So one thing I noticed is how they wrap. If you look at how they come wrapped, make sure your laces come like that. But also, if you look at it, what does it look like to you? To me, it looks like a bike tire. That's what it looks like to me. That's what it looks like. They wrapped them just like a bike tire to resemble that. I mean, in my opinion, you let me know in the comment section down below if that looks like that to you, but that's what it looks like to me. So I think these will go nice with this. So definitely gonna do that lace swap. Shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy. So that's the review of the Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester Bike Air. And this is his first 4 silhouette. So the OGs are always gonna be the best ones unless he come out with a dope colorway that kind of breaks this all over, you know, orange firewood type of cinnabar type of color blocking. But you know, nice shoe in hand, and the materials are fire. So a Jordan 4, you can't beat it. And I did notice that the midsole right here on the side and leading around underneath the toe cap is kind of like a translucent. If you see it, it's like that dark translucent, the same dark translucent that's on part of the outsole. You can see that it wraps around and goes around to the front of the shoe. So that's fire. I do like that a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and hop back in front of the camera. Let me give you my true thoughts and opinions and hit you with a on feet and finish the review off. All right, so that was the review of the Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Is this a fire shoe? Is it worth the resale price right now? Did you hit on sneakers? Did you get the retail dub? Let me know in the comment section down below. And you know, my true opinion and thoughts on it. I think it's a nice shoe. I do think it's a nice shoe. I think it's well made. I do love that it has that new 4 slope, that new 4 shape. And the materials that they put on the shoe are very premium, very nice. I do love how the toe box look. You know, I think right now, you know, I was 50-50 before they dropped. But right now, as I'm looking at them, I'm more leaning like 70-30. Now, here's gonna be the true test when I drop them and put them on feet. Once I put them on feet and change the laces out into those sail laces, that might go ahead and seal the deal for me. So yeah, I'm feeling these. I am feeling these. There's a couple gripes I had, like for instance, the Jumpman. I wish they didn't, you know, blend them in with the color of the shoe, which they would have made him pop a little bit more. But they did make the flight pop underneath, but I just wish they did that with the Jumpman. Other than that, you know, 4 is my favorite silhouette, so it's hard for me to not like a 4. It's gotta be a ugly, bad design, bad color blocking 4 for me to not like it, but these are decent. These are definitely decent. So hopefully my next 4 I try to go get is those SBs. I struck out on all the raffles so far. And you know, hopefully they drop on sneakers. I'm hearing they're supposed to drop in April on sneakers. Today I did get a double up of the Union Jordan 1s. I hit for, I got exclusive access for the drawing, and then I did hit the drawing. It was like 2 hours. 2 hours later, and I finally got the dub. So a trick I did, and another trick I did as well on Union site. I don't know if it's your trick or, you know, I mean, it might be worth trying. What I did was on Union, before I entered for that raffle, I purchased merch, right? Purchased the merch and I hit on the shoe. I did the same thing today on the sneakers app. They dropped the merch. They had the drawing open for 2 hours. I went for the merch. I just copped the hoodie, the light color hoodie that I don't have. I got the black one, I got the black shirt, and I got the you know, fossil color shirt. I just went for the same color fossil in the hoodie with the blue on it. And then lo and behold, later on, I hit for the shoe. So hey, it's worth noting. Maybe you could try it. Maybe it'll work for you, maybe not, but it's worth a try. So with that being said, again, Thank you for all the support. I appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, our views are low right now, but I'm pretty sure as these drops continue to come out and I continue to bring you good visuals of the, you know, popular sneaks that people like on foot, things of that nature, I'm sure we'll get those views back up. So like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate you. And we're going to get into this on foot, into the next drop. I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money off.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.